In other news now, the St. Catharines South Police are keeping a close watch on Gregory Park in Portmore after 3 houses were firebombed early this morning. Now, the police say it follows 3 weeks of increased violence. Krista Campbell has the details.
Gregory Park in Portmore, St. Catharines has been plagued by crime and violence over the past 3 weeks, and things got even more heated about 3 o'clock Tuesday morning. A resident explained off camera.
Most of the time, if anything is going on outside, I don't really hear. But last night, no, me hear bam bam. That was 2. Bam 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 bam. 3. And then me hear like 1 go further down on the road, Catchy Drive. And it's not even half an hour again. Me hear bam 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 in the lane, and me hear the shot lick on the gate at the front there.
After the gunshots came fire. The resident says 2 board houses were firebombed and it spread to a 3rd house. Then, more gunshots. Head of the St. Catharines South Police, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, is concerned.
Where I believe that the residents there are really under siege by criminal elements inside that community. Despite the police's best effort inside there, we still have criminals who are firing shots sporadically across the community of Gregory Park, in some instances also taking on the security force.
He says there's already increased police presence in the area and there will be more security operations as well. Residents have been moving out of the area for some time now because of the violence, but others lament they don't have that option.
Of course, you're most afraid because you don't know wait for people just are dead. The shots just fire all the time. You're inside, you can't see, you have to just stay low. This is hard, trust me. I don't have nowhere to go. If me I go nowhere else, the same place in Gregory Park. Because I'm born, I grow here. Understand me? So that my mother yard me have to end up.
SSP Phillips says the police will be publishing the names of persons of interest as soon as investigations into the violence in Gregory Park are complete, and he's issued a challenge to criminals.
I think the residents in those communities, they reach a boiling point, and I'll just say that they're at a point now where, they are frustrated and they want better for their community, and so the cooperation is improving, and I welcome that. We're going to respond as the police, and I'm warning those criminal elements who continue to create mayhem in the community that when we take action, it's going to be strong action.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.